Today is all about getting ready for a funeral. I don't do funerals, so I'm just gonna go to the wake. A lot of people hate that I say that, but it is what it is, right? Not everybody do well with funerals, not everybody do well with wakes, this and that, yada yada yada. I woke up this morning getting ready. I gotta go get my passport made. We can start this traveling vlog. Paris, Thailand, Africa, stuff like that. Check this out. Woke up this morning. Look at this. I don't know how deep it went though. So yeah, big nails. I don't know how deep it went. So hopefully, you know, it didn't go too far or whatnot. And hopefully no air comes out, right? Now, all right, so you heard that first. I got a nail stuck in my tire. I gotta go and get this changed. I'll see you guys later. Back. All right, so Snap Nation, you see what's going on. Like, I just purchased this car not too long ago. Not even 30 days, 60 days, I'll say. I got Runflats, you know? So, yeah, I could sit on it for a little bit, do what I gotta do. Fact of the matter is, first to get to the courthouse, get my paperwork done so I could get this passport. From there, go ahead and hit the mall, get my jewelry cleaned, possibly pick up something new, hit the Gucci store, pick up something fresh and white, because we're supposed to be doing an all-white, got an all-white wake supposed to be going on, if I'm not mistaken, or it could be the funeral all-white, I don't know. I have to get the logistics on that. Yeah, so I gotta do that. Then I gotta figure out if I'm gonna take my son with me along on a trip, and then if I am gonna take him on a trip, then that means I gotta search for something for him. I gotta go pick him up, make sure that whatever I'm getting for him fits right. Now I gotta throw this in there. I don't even know where the closest BMW at. This is what I gotta deal with right away. As soon as I step out the house, come to finding a nail. That's crazy. Comment down below. Let me know, am I able to just go to like a tire shop and get it patched? Because I heard somebody say, oh, if you get a nail in a run flat, it's a done deal. You got to get a whole new tire. I don't know. You tell me. What do you think? I really hope that's not the case. But then again, I'd rather do it right, right? Let's do it right the first time. Hold on. Did I say? Okay. I thought I was getting a warning just now about, you know, the tire situation, but I'm not. Anyway, I really want to take that nail off and see if, you know, see how this run flat play or whatnot. So what I'm gonna do, once I find a BMW dealership, I am going to release or remove the screw out of the tires and see if I go flat immediately or if I'm able to make it to the dealer without any complications. I mean, yeah, I'm risking it, right? Yeah, like, what if it do like let out air like real quick? Then I'm stuck and I gotta call AAA and blah 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 blah. So I'm hoping it don't come to that. You know what I mean? Hoping it don't come to that. But anyway, if you rocking with me still, you're still on my live. I'm sorry, well, not live. If you rocking with me still and you watch at least one video, hit a thumbs up. If you have run flats and you think that it's a pain or too expensive, give me a thumbs up. If you think removing the screw from the tires or from the tire is a good idea just to gauge how far I'm able to drive or if it's worth having run flats at all anyway, give me a thumbs up. If you think my channel is moving in the right direction, thumbs up. If you think I'm talking too much or I talk too much, thumbs up. All right. Anyway, I'm gonna leave you guys for a little bit. Hit this courthouse. Stand in line. Hopefully, I'm able to, you know, like skip the line because I do got a little pass that says I can skip the line, but that pass was for like 8 o'clock. Alright, so I'll holler back at you guys. Snap Nation, thanks for following along. Thanks for showing the support, man. Like I said, man, I do this for you, and I'm doing this for my son. you know, and hopefully you guys help me reach the top, and hopefully I can get better content and do lots more for you guys, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna go like visit some cigar shops, a little wine dispensary or whatnot. I like to do the legato stuff sometimes and whatnot. So pretty laid back person. Don't get me in the club though, that's a whole different story, but more or less I'm a laid back person, and I like to find the things. I like to dress up, you know what I'm saying? So just keep following along with me. I got raffles that's gonna be coming up. So you ladies, if you like your Gucci bags and you like timeless Gucci bags, you know, Gucci bags that stand out from the rest, Gucci bags that has history behind it, you know, luxurious items that have history behind it, that you can actually obtain through the raffle, and through that raffle you're able to win something that's a part of history, and you can keep that for yourself, for your kids later on down the line. It's almost like art, you know what I mean? Keep it, it's gonna appreciate and value. Or if you want, rock it. I ain't mad at you. Rock that thing a couple times and put it away. Alright, this is your boy Charlie Joe, handsome, and I'm snap with you later. I hope you got it in stock.
Yeah, if not, we can order it. Because the worst case scenario, we don't have to leave it. All right, let me go talk to the people in parts first.
All right,
I got you.
All right, guys. So I already made it from the courthouse, and now we're at BMW. Got everything situated. It was like boom, bam. Thank you, ma'am. It was real quick at the passport place, so I ain't really had to wait that long, which was a good thing. Now I'm over here trying to figure out if I'm gonna be able to get loan a car right now for the BMW. Obviously, they may not have the part that I need in stock or the tire at that, so I don't know how that's gonna go. Anyway, I'll at least be able to drive one of these newer, up-to-date BMWs. That'll let me know if I should, you know, get me something else. I hope they give me an SUV, but they probably wouldn't anyway. But an SUV would be ideal. I'm gonna tell them that I need to go out of town, which I have to anyway. But I'm gonna have a lot of luggages, and I definitely need a SUV and not no regular, you know, sedan. So hopefully they're able to give me a nice wash too. Look at this, it's real dirty. Real dirty, look at that. Dirt. I can smell my name on here. Y'all see that? Oh snap.
Tires for that size and everything, but it won't be the same.
Meaning Runflats.
Right, I know that. Yeah, you have to get it for somewhere that they really just sell or get that tire.
So, do you have another brand of Runflats?
We do, of course, but the thing is, you're gonna need 4 or 2 minimum, but that's gonna be customer pay. That's what I'm saying. Like, I don't want to waste your time and your money. We have to. I mean, if we do that one, we don't have to order. We can do it here. You see what I mean?
How much is that?
Come with
3 tires.
Yeah, I have to find out. Because they're not like regular tires, they're performance tires. Right, but BMW for some reason
don't do performance tires?
We do.
Oh,
like you know, Pirellis.
Right.
We do Continental, we do also Michelin, stuff like that, but nothing. Niro is not part of the OEM brands. Yeah.
Right.
That's the thing.
They gave me that's like an aftermarket type of thing.
That's all it is, aftermarket. Yeah, but we don't care. Even if I want to call them and help you, they won't even pay me for it.
And not even another BMW either. It's just not what y'all carry. Okay.
Unless you swap 4 of them, then you can go to any BMW.
Right.
Because they will still pay for the tires, but it needs to be the same.
The
brand.
company, you mean?
I think so, yeah.
But it had to be that type of tire, though.
For that brand.
Yeah.
But they have to be all for the same. That's the problem.
That's crazy. I gotta go find a fucking shop.
Yeah, man. That's the thing. You need to have when you have things aftermarket, you need to have people who actually don't mind and do aftermarket.
Right.
You know what I mean?
And the dealer gave it to me with the aftermarket, so that's the crazy part.
Yeah, they just buy whatever they got and they just get it out. You know what I'm saying? It's specifically this
Damn, I gotta go find somebody.
Yeah,
All right.
Man. Trust
No
me,
problem.
I do the best. Okay?
Thank you, man. Thank you.
And, sorry for your loss. You know?
Yeah.
If
It's
you
all
need
right.
anything else in the future, you can business card.
Yeah.
You know, more than
Perfect.
happy to help you, right?
All right. Thank you.
You got it, bro.
All right. We're gonna say hey, thanks to George for letting me know after I was sitting here spending like 24, I want to say 2 hours at least sitting down here waiting for this to get done. I can't even get it done. It's crazy. Gotta find a spot where I could change this tire at. Ridiculous. I'm gonna see if I can find go to this original spot that I went to not too long ago. And hopefully they have something for me, you know?